Most people overpay for field service software without realizing it. They see a monthly price and assume that's the full cost. But here's the truth no one tells you. With tools like Service Fusion, the real question is not just what it costs, but whether it actually saves you more money than it takes. Quick promise. In this video, you'll understand Service Fusion pricing in 2026, what you actually get at each level, what hidden costs to watch for, and most importantly, whether it is worth it for your business size and workflow. Let's start with the basic structure. Service Fusion pricing is typically subscription-based, and it scales based on features and team size. Instead of paying for every small tool separately, you are paying for an all-in-one field service system. That includes scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management in one platform. Now here's where it gets interesting. The entry-level plans are designed for small to mid-sized service businesses. Think solo contractors or teams with a few technicians. At this level, you get core features like job scheduling, customer tracking, estimates, and invoicing. Alex, who runs a small electrical repair business, uses this level because it covers everything he needs without extra complexity. But here's the problem. As your business grows, pricing increases based on additional users and advanced features. Things like deeper reporting, integrations, and automation tools may push you into higher tiers. That's where costs can start to feel heavier if you are not actively using those features. Now let's talk about what you are really paying for. You are not just paying for software. You are paying for time savings. Instead of managing jobs through spreadsheets, phone calls, and paper invoices, everything is centralized. Jake, who runs a plumbing team, reduced scheduling errors just by using automated dispatching and customer reminders. That alone saved him hours every week. But here's where people make mistakes. They compare Service Fusion only to cheaper apps and forget to calculate labor savings. If your office staff spends less time scheduling and chasing payments, the software can indirectly pay for itself. Now let's break down value. Service Fusion is most worth it when you are managing multiple technicians, daily job scheduling, and recurring customer work. In those cases, the system reduces chaos and improves cash flow. But if you are a solo operator doing a few jobs a week, it may feel like more system than you actually need. In a minute, here's the key decision filter most businesses miss. Ask yourself one question. Is your biggest problem getting jobs or managing jobs? If it is managing jobs, Service Fusion becomes much more valuable. Final takeaway. Service Fusion pricing is not just about cost. It is about efficiency. For growing service businesses, it can be a productivity tool that replaces multiple systems. For very small operations, it may be more than you need. If this helped you understand the real cost clearly, hit like, subscribe, and comment what stage your business is at. It helps others choose smarter too.